are we going to put, Sarah? Over there?
We should put that side because like the sun,
The sun?
the sun will always be over there,
Okay.
and then it's always blocked by the house. So if it's over here, then it won't get any sun. Wow, the sunset's pretty.
Right now. Hi everyone. Welcome back in Ecca House
Ecca House
channel. So we're going to. You want? Yeah. Yeah.
Should I put the
Yeah. Because there's you're gonna touch this cow poo.
Like put it inside out?
No, because this one is wet inside. I cut myself and then I try to do some shower with these gloves, but it's still wet inside. So the only way to I want to put something on top, and then I left my fingers and then they cut my fingers and the edge of those thing, the metal thing. Okay, are you going to put it inside or just leave it in here?
I'll bring it inside.
Okay. So we're going to wear these gloves because we're going to touch this cow poo. The soil, I mean. Yes, the soil is, we don't know where the soil come from. So yeah, everyone, we're going to plant this one. So maybe
Okay, this
I put this one. Put this one back.
I've got my pocket.
This one I put it inside.
Okay.
Okay, so Sarah gonna carry those, and I open the door.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I open the front door. We're going to plant at the back, in the backyard. So our backyard looks beautiful. Where is Mr. House? Mr. House is cooking. Okay.
On the right?
Yeah, in the corner. I think you need to have some shoes.
Yeah.
Because those things gonna be hurt your feet. I'm gonna take the rest of it. So we're going to plant lavender, and this purple flower. We're gonna move it up there. Okay. So we're going to use this soil, the soil up there. I'm gonna move it. Alright, how many kilo? 50 kilo. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I'm gonna put it up there, my friend. Okay. Alright, you're gonna see this thing's lovely. And I put this in here. I'm gonna get some more things. I'm going to get some more the plants from outside. We have some more plants to bring in. Daddy, that's Mr. House cooking for us.
I'm the chef.
Yes. What are you cooking today?
An abomination of potatoes and mince.
Abomination, potato and mint. So that's his cooking.
Spuds,
Spot,
mince,
mint,
onion, garlic, vegetables, smoked paprika, cumin, and pepper. Oh, a
Yum.
little bit of lime.
Yum.
Oh, and mint.
Yum. Looking forward.
Just trying to get rid of fat.
Okay. You eat the
You
fat.
eat the fat.
You eat the fat. So, cool. So now we're going to start with.
I'm gonna go get my jacket quick.
Yeah, go get a jacket. We're gonna put this in here. We maybe doesn't look so much different. So we don't know what to do actually. This one is fine. So we only have 3 of this. This lavender. So this lavender we're going to make it to something bigger. Maybe this. Yeah, something bigger. We wait for Sara to come here. It feels cold. Freezing in here. It was 13 degrees, and then when we came home, was went down to 10 degrees. Perhaps now 5 degrees. Oh, it smells so good.
The food? Oh, the food.
Yeah, it smells it's like lavender already.
Yeah.
Not even cold. So we're gonna start with lavender. You can move this in here, and then I'm gonna put some more soil. I think your palm is blocking the camera, babe.
Sorry. You have to like blur it out.
Yeah.
This is child friendly show.
Yes. What is it?
Child friendly show.
Okay, so we get so many purple flower in here. And we're gonna just replace it to bigger pot.
Take it out, right?
Yeah, take it out and put it back in here.
Uh-huh.
Move it down there and just
How do I take it out?
you can just.
I don't wanna.
This is soft. That should be. Maybe just stick your finger inside and dig it with your finger. Maybe. There it is. There it is. They come out.
Yay. Wow, it does smell good.
You know. I wish you can smell it. Smell it. Smell it. Smell it. Smell it. Big muscle. Big muscle.
I don't want to break it.
You need to dig your finger inside first, a little bit. Just dig it a little bit like that. Yeah. Yeah, this one is hard.
Okay. See?
Oh, you know what? Maybe we need some sulfur. We don't have any sulfur here. Gardening sulfur. We need gardening sulfur. There it is. This one is bigger one next. Next bigger. See this one? This is fatter. Something white and fat. Like me. The plant gonna love it. Because they have a lot of meat in it.
Yeah. smells like medicine.
Good medicine. I think this is better because this is white and soft. But then we need to put some soil first in here, yeah?
Yeah, and then put it on top.
Yeah.
Or should we empty this one?
This looks like it's not much bigger.
Yeah.
We use the soil. Oh, we need the mat.
Cold.
You got rubber gloves on?
Yeah.
It's all about getting your hands dirty.
What? Auntie Ecca told me to put him on.
No, because it's girls' school. Yeah, it's human school, and then you want to get us hand dirty. No, it's childcare. We must have gloves on. No gloves, no plenty.
Yeah.
You found it.
Here it is.
There it is.
It's bloody cold out here, isn't it?
Yeah, no sun.
Yeah. There you go.
There it is.
Tell you what, this is a sight for Sara. Gardening in bright yellow rubber gloves.
It's
Nice.
fashion.
Hang on.
It's
I'm
a
gonna-
fashion.
It's nice.
Fashion. Look, it matches.
Yeah.
It's my fashion statement.
Asian gardening.
Take more picture of this one.
What?
Take more picture of this one.
Of what one?
Wait. Nice one, eh?
So dumb.
Thank you. Oh, I just leave the plants in here. Maybe we need to get a little bit of soil. That soil should be fine. Then you put that. And you open this. Oh, I almost cut my leg. Oopsie. Oop. Yeah, now what you can do, you can put some soil in it. Sorry. Save me, buddy! Do you see that? Do you see those movies? Misfit. So funny. It's like Brian and Kamal,
Yeah.
and then they're always wrong to like silly things.
Yeah.
One is a little bit tricky,
Yeah.
and then he asked to save me, but his name is not even Barry.
Yeah.
And he's almost dead. I think you need to refill that one like this
Okay.
until it's full. This one, and then I'm gonna remove this to the bigger pot. Maybe I need to put something first. This is your favorite color, purple.
Purple. When I saw the flowers, I was like, oh, it's so pretty.
Like orange and yellow.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's so cute. Look at that, my friend. Number 1. Number 2 is it?
2.
Number 2. You only have 3 left.
Mashed potato.
Mmm. Mmm.
Yum.
Cheese.
Reckon more salt?
That's really good. Ooh, tasty. Ooh.
You're gonna have dinner soon?
No. You know, I was just thinking, oh, I'm not gonna eat anymore. I'm so full
You can.
after the party. No.
Soon you're gonna hungry. That was your brunch. Yay! It's good. Should be fun. Okay, guys, we're going to put somewhere. We're going to put. Where are we going to put, Sarah? Over there.
We should put that side, because like the sun,
The sun.
the sun will always be over there,
Okay.
and then it's always blocked by the house. So if it's over here, then it won't get any sun. Wow, the sunset's pretty.
Orange and purple. I can't see. All right. Going to put ones in here, 2 down there.
Yes.
You put some in here. You know what? Maybe we should put some around this area. Like what I mean is spread them out. See?